What is it like living in a society where people have efficient, cost-effective health care when they need it, and as a right, regardless of their age, income, profession, or social status? I'm referring to countries who've adopted a single-payer, universal health care program. Countries like the UK, Sweden, Germany, France, Italy, Canada, to name a few. Let's talk to some Americans living in France. What is it like living with universal health care? In a word, freedom.
Freedom of choice. With universal health care, every doctor is in the network. I mean, I can basically see any doctor, go to any hospital, see any specialist, and unlike the US system, I don't have to ask an insurance company if a doctor is in my plan or not.
It is so sad to see so many thousands of Americans going to social media and starting crowdfunding campaigns to beg for money from friends to support healthcare costs that they would not have under universal healthcare.
Freedom to have preventive care. Universal health care means you can go to the doctor whenever you need to, whenever you want. Prevention means avoiding disaster. Less days missed at work, less death, and reduced costs to the system.
Freedom of career choice. With universal health care, because your health insurance isn't tied to your employer, you actually have much more freedom to choose whatever career path you want to pursue. So you can be a lawyer or a stay-at-home mom, an artist, a janitor, a waitress, whatever you're doing, you're going to be covered because it's not attached to your job.
With universal health care, you don't have to worry that you'll drain your life savings, go into credit card debt, or have to declare bankruptcy. Costs are controlled with universal health care.
Freedom to strike. With universal health care, workers who exercise their human right to go on strike to defend their interests are protected from their employers taking away their health coverage.
Starting a family is wonderful and stressful. With universal health care, I know that my family and I will get all of the prenatal and postnatal care that we need, and that I'll never have to waste time on the phone with insurance companies, so I'll have more time for the fun stuff.
Freedom to get divorced. No more staying with your spouse in order to keep your medical coverage. With universal health care, you can change your situation, still be covered, even if your relationship changes.
By every objective measure, universal health care increases our quality of life. Being poor or sick shouldn't spell a death sentence or bankruptcy for people living in the richest country in the world.